Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are trying on the much anticipated SKIMS The North Face collaboration woven seam tapered pant. Now, that is the official title, but what I think these are snow pants. So I think these are the perfect ski pant that match the jacket that came in this collection for a fully monochrome look. Now this is the sienna color, but it also came in three other colors or tones. So you have the ochre, which is kind of like a more yellow based or warm tan. You also have the cocoa, which is a brown, and you have onyx, which is a black color. Now let's talk about the overall design. So I was really excited to get these pants because I really liked the promo photos. I particularly liked the sienna color, and then my second runner-up would have been the black, but I always feel like the cocoa is also just kind of like a sleeper color, and in SKIMS, they just know how to do it right. I really like the silhouette, so it looks like they are tapered right, so if you do have a smaller waist, they are going to be super flattering. And then of course you have these tabs right at the top where you can make it tighter or looser, depending on how tight you want them. Now something that I thought was like strange to get on was that the zippers on the side, which are actually really strong to open and close, which might loosen up with use, but those are the way that you get into the pants. You're not actually going to have a zipper down the middle. Now you do have a strap in the back to hang these, which I thought was very clever given that they are snow pants, so they're most likely going to get a little, wet sometimes, so you do want to hang them just to keep them out of the way. Now, I really don't have any qualms with this design. I really liked them. However, once we try them on, you will see that they are really, really large. So I felt like they felt even larger than they look. So just keep that in mind that, if you do have the opportunity to size down, I would definitely recommend doing so. Now you're seeing that I am able to kind of fold them over and taper them at the top, but it still kind of balloons out in the thigh area. So I just think that I should have gone with the size down. Now this was the extra small, and usually in SKIMS, I am most comfortable in a small. So that's why I'm really surprised that the extra small was actually pretty big. It doesn't, again, look as big as it felt, but just keep that in mind. So if you do have an opportunity to try on the size before, or if you don't, I would just recommend sizing down. Now, if I went with the small, it would have been really, really large. So just keep that in mind if you are on a border. Definitely size down. Now, let me know what you think in the comments below if you have these, if you like them, if you love them, or if you're trying to get them. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe.